Hi, my name is Maria and today we're going to prepare a super delicious dessert that many children love it just like me. You would like to know what we're going to prepare today? I'm talking about you! Today we're going to prepare some Panda Cupcakes! The best of all is that it is very easy, tasty and very beautiful. So tell your daddy and your mommy to join you to prepare it. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le estaré hablando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. To make the cupcake, pause the video to see the ingredients of how you're going to prepare them. We add the butter, the flour, the sugar, the eggs, the evaporated milk, the vanilla, and mix until it is creamy. Now you will pour the mixture into a sandwich bag and you're going to chop the tip. And you're going to pour it into the cupcake cups. And now you're going to place in the preheated oven at 350 degrees in bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. They should look like this. For the decoration, we frost the entire cupcake. We put the ears, the eyes, the nose. Now we begin frosting the edge of the circle of the eyes. And we make the cute little mouth. Look how nice it looks! And how weird this Panda Cupcake? Super! If you prepare this cute cupcake or any of my recipe on the channel, send me a photo like this through my social media Lady Maria 51 because I love seeing your beautiful creation. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel Lady Maria 51 and activate the bell so that you can receive the new video. See you in the next video.